With curvaceous lines, slim cases, decorative dials and sparkling diamonds, it's easy to understand the appeal of the VILLE TRÉSOR Quartz 36mm watch by Omega. And lucky for us, we have this beauty in our hands today for a closer look. As an authorized retailer of Omega watches, Les Ambassadeurs offers a large collection of the latest Omega models, including a selection of VILLE TRÉSOR models. Shop at any of our boutiques in Switzerland or from our online store at lesambassadeurs.ch. Like always, we've included all the product specifications in the description box so you can refer to them later. But for now, keep on watching as we go hands-on with this vibrant version of the Omega VILLE TRÉSOR for ladies. Both the Trésor and VILLE names have had long histories with the Omega brand, where the former dates back to 1949, while the origins of the latter began in 1962. However, these Omega VILLE TRÉSOR watches for ladies are much more recent additions, having joined the brand's lineup only a few years ago. The Omega VILLE TRÉSOR Quartz collection is a varied one, with plenty of materials and colors to choose from. For instance, this stunning model crafted in 18-karat Moonshine gold. Moonshine gold is an exclusive Omega precious metal alloy that is not only lighter than traditional yellow gold, but also more resistant to fading over time. This lustrous metal is paired with a domed malachite dial and shimmering green leather strap. Malachite stone is prized for its naturally occurring patterns and varied tones, and I'm sure you'll agree that it makes for a striking dial. There's nothing shy about this Omega VILLE TRÉSOR watch. And why should there be? It shines confidently, knowing that its distinctive design and bold color are made to grab attention. This version has a slim 36mm case, which measures a mere 8.9mm in height. These proportions are modern and exceptionally versatile. From smaller wrists to larger ones, 36mm Omega VILLE TRÉSOR watches are perfect for a range of sizes. The combination of the slim case silhouette and curved lugs form a flawless fit. The case is set with 38 full-cut diamonds, which curve gracefully along each side of the bezel and adjoining lug. The crown is also embellished with a single diamond, nestled inside a flower design that is filled with red liquid ceramic. A closer look at the crown reveals that it's been shaped to resemble a 5-petal flower. Housed inside the case of the contemporary Omega VILLE TRÉSOR Quartz watch is a highly stylized dial, featuring a pair of hour and minute hands that point to oversized, yet elegantly thin, Roman numerals. The bottom portions of the numerals meet at the center of the dial to create a perfect circle. Naturally, at the top of that framed center circle is the Omega logo. As expected with any modern luxury watch, the dial of the Omega VILLE ladies watch is shielded by scratch-resistant sapphire crystals. The back of the Omega VILLE TRÉSOR 36mm watch is furnished with metallized caseback with a mirror effect. The caseback is further decorated with a laser-etched floral motif, but this time featuring 8 petals. Lying beneath the caseback is the caliber 4061 quartz movement, which offers a 48-month battery life. Therefore, as long as the battery remains in working order, the VILLE TRÉSOR will be ready to wear every time you pull it out of the watch box. No winding or time adjusting necessary. This is not the type of timepiece you would take to the water, but it's good to know that the Omega VILLE TRÉSOR Quartz 36mm is water resistant to 30 meters, should there be rain in the forecast. The diamond and Moonshine gold, malachite dial and green leather strap Omega VILLE TRÉSOR Quartz watch is priced at 16,600 Swiss francs. Sophisticated, distinctive, and luxurious, the ladies' Omega VILLE TRÉSOR Quartz watches were created for the modern watch buyer that appreciates enduring style. There's a charming mix of an old and new here, from the traditional Roman numerals on the dial to the contemporary case proportions. Plus, the broad range of styles and colors within the collection can cater to various tastes. Whether for a glamorous night out or everyday elegance, the VILLE TRÉSOR by Omega is a fashionable option to add to one's wardrobe. Les Ambassadeurs is proud to have the Omega VILLE TRÉSOR Quartz 36mm watches in stock at our boutiques. If you haven't already, visit us at any of our 3 locations in Zurich, Geneva, and Lucerne to discover these models or our extensive collection of Omega timepieces. Alternatively, you can also visit Les Ambassadeurs' website and shop from our online store at your convenience. You can even take advantage of our super-fast flash delivery service where we can deliver a watch within 3 hours to any location in Switzerland. Yes, that's right, in just 3 hours. So, if you need a particular watch today, Les Ambassadeurs will be at your doorstep with your new timepiece in a flash. What do you think of the Omega de VILLE Trésor ladies' watches? We always love to hear from our viewers, so please drop us a comment below. If you have any questions about these watches or any other Omega timepiece for that matter, feel free to ask us in the comment section and we'll get back to you right away. And if you want to stay up to date on the latest watch reviews from Les Ambassadeurs, please subscribe to our channel, click the bell button, and give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching.